Alright, it's Independence Day, Monday morning. Well, I believe we got something. Yep, there he goes. Bait of the day. You're not going to believe this. Pepperoni burrito. That's right. I got a piece of my soft burrito shells pinched between two pieces of pepperoni. Hey, don't knock what works, right? Look at that. I'm going to name him Rod Bendin' Rodney. Yeah. Because he put a bend on that big old thick rod there. It's like a medium action bass rod. This is a good sized bullhead though. I think it's a black bullhead, I'm not sure. Anybody knows, let me know down in the comments. It's got a big gaping mouth on it. Looks kind of like a flathead almost, but I'm pretty sure that's not the case. I'll just call him Rod Bendin' Rodney. Alright, let's see about getting him back into the water so he can get back to his Independence Day feast. I'm sure there's plenty of food down there. Haven't pulled up a skinny fish yet. So what kind of bait do you people use? Let me know down there in the comments below. Now remember, this is a clean bait that I'm using. You can buy it at the grocery store. And there it is. It's proven to work.